Tayo po ngayon nakasakay sa presidential chopper kung saan sasama ang GMA Integrated News sa isasagawang aerial inspection ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ngayong hapon, September 4. Ito ay para makita ang naging lawak ng pinsalang idinulot ng Bagyong Enteng na pinalakas ang hangin habagat sa nakalipas na ilang araw. Iikot po tayo sa National Capital Region area at sa iba pang mga karating probinsya. Kakatapos lamang ng situation briefing dito sa Campo Aguinaldo kung saan ipinag-utos ang Pangulo sa mga ahensya ng pamahalaan. Ito, narito na ang Pangulo. Mr. President, sir, good morning. Opo. Yes, sir.
What's so we'll go to Rizal, Bulacan area and Marikina Municipality.
So ayan, ang ruta natin, Rizal, Bulacan at Marikina area. Mr. President, during your aerial inspections, what specifically are you looking for? Ano po yung mga talagang ini-inspect ninyo?
Well, the first thing that we try to look at is where are the areas that are still underwater para makita natin kung saan tayo pwedeng pumasok na. What I'm really trying to assess is where are the areas that we can already service. Because at the very beginning, wala tayong nakabuo. We always wait for the storm to come. We have to wait for the path. Ngayon, nakapas na. So, titignan natin kung saan yung mga area na kailangan at kung pwedeng pasukin. Kung hindi pwedeng pasukin, kung ano yung gagawin natin para makapasok na yung mga atin natin.
Si VP Sara nag-apologize sa mga KOJC members for asking them to vote for you.
Well, Sir Prerogative, I still don't understand why, but that it is a wish. Wala tayong
So wala na ho, wala na kayong communication ng Vice President?
no, not at all. Not at all. The last time I spoke to her was when she handed me her resignation. And we haven't spoken since.
And then yung ano po, yung